What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about math operations. And if you're saying, okay Mo, I'm not a 10-year-old, I know what a plus sign is, I know what a minus sign is. Well, I know that you're not a 10-year-old, but chill with me a little bit because Java actually interprets these things in a slightly different way, and you can use them to do a bunch of stuff that you might or might not seen before. So I mean, why not just learn it? So let's just go ahead and start. So let's just go ahead, type system out print line, and let's just start with the basic ones that we all already know. So let's go ahead and type 10 minus 5. So I mean, it's just a simple minus and it will do the job. So if you run that code, it will print 5 because 10 minus 5 is 5. I mean, if you don't know that, then I don't know, then we really have a problem. So if you use a plus sign and you run that, it will basically give you 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15. I know guys, this is basic stuff, but I mean, you gotta know how to do that in Java. And if you want to divide, all you gotta do is just type the forward slash and run that, and it will divide 10 divided by 5. So this is how you divide something. And another thing that I want to show you guys, maybe you know or you not know. I don't know if that's proper English, but hey, who cares? So if you use the percent sign, that will give you the remainder, which in this case it is 0. So if you run that, the remainder is 0. If you're saying, okay, what the heck does that mean? I don't know what a remainder is. Well, I don't know. Google it, I guess. So when you divide two numbers and what is left behind is the remainder. I mean, I'm pretty sure that you guys already know that. So let's go ahead and just delete what's ever inside. And I just want to show you something. I think I find it interesting in Java because I mean in other programming languages it doesn't work that way. So let's go ahead and declare a variable. I mean, let's do 3 variables. First, second, and amount. And the reason why I want to show you guys this is because there is something that that you might, it is weird, but I'm just going to show you what it does, and you'll just get it. So just go ahead and set that equal to 2 and set that equal to 1 and set amount equal to second divided by first. And of course, I mean, if you don't know the answer, then so if you divide 1 by 2, then you'll get half. But check this out. If we went ahead and typed in amount here and run this code, what we get is actually not half, we get 0. And if you're saying, okay, what does that mean? Well, the reason why this happened is because you declared the variables here as an integer type. And as we all know, an integer type is a whole number. So Java will actually force amount to be a whole number. So instead of giving you half, it gave you 0. It rounded down. So if you're saying, okay, now we have an actual problem, like what if I want to get the actual result? Well, there's a couple ways to do it, but the simplest and the fastest way to do it is to change that to double. And what double means is basically a number with a decimal point. So if you run that, it will give you half, which is the result that you actually wanted, because if you divide these two numbers, it should give you half. So it depends on what you're trying to do. So if you are actually looking forward to get this answer, what the heck did I just use looking forward? My English is getting too proper. I need to like start hanging out with Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's get back to Java. So if you want your answer to be with a decimal point, then you should use double. If you want your answer to be a whole number and be rounded down, then you should use an integer. So this is what basically it, because some people get that confused. And there is another thing that I want to teach you guys, which is about strings. So let's go ahead and create a string, an empty string for now. And what we can do actually, you can use mo plus equals, and you can just type whatever you want. Mo is cool. Thank you. It took forever to do that. So let's go ahead and type system out print line, and if you go ahead and type in mo, what this line of code basically does is just takes all this and adds it to the empty string right here. So this is another way that you can use the plus operator to do stuff on a string, not only numbers, which is pretty awesome, I think, at least. So as you guys can see, it was empty, and now there's mo is cool in it. So this is what I have for you guys about math operations. This is a really straightforward tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.